Hey guys, it's Cassie at Choice of Trinkets, and today I am going to be reattaching a pony head that was completely severed. When I was trying to pull her apart, her whole neck joint just popped off. Oh, no. That was not what I wanted. Oh, fail. Okay, let's see if we can salvage what's left. Oh, wow, what? That came out before the rest of her head came off? Are you kidding me? This is crazy. I actually have not had that happen before. Go figure. No. So, you know, that doesn't typically happen like that, but, you know, sometimes they do tear and get loose, and then also if you're using an X-Acto, you can slice into it and cut their head off on accident. So if you've had any of those mishaps, this video's for you. So before we get started, let's talk glue. I have found that I really like using this JB Weld. It's an instant setting epoxy. So if the set time is a minute, it cures in an hour, and it dries clear. So it's super handy when you have something that is very precarious and you're wanting it to be able to stay in that position, and you don't want to sit there and hold it for hours or find some creative way to hold it in place. So this is my favorite thing to use, and it's reusable, so you can open and seal it again. So when you only have one pony, you know, you're not sitting there wasting an entire batch of epoxy to do this. I have tried other glues and they do work, but I have not been happy with how well they hold, especially when you're like still working on a pony, if you want to, you know, continue to style their hair and all that other stuff. So before I do this, I typically will decide to go ahead and take the metal parts out of the inside of the pony. So her tail has already been done with zip ties, just because this is not something you can just go back and get inside of, not easily anyway. So once you're gluing something, make sure you're happy with what's done inside. Make sure your pony's clean, make sure your pony's dry, because you can't get back inside once this is all done. Note, this is one of those flammable, noxious smelling, has fumes, so I have my window open right here so that we're not breathing in all these vapors. You can wear your respiratory masks and things as well. So I have, because I do this frequently, it only comes with one little stir stick in the package. So I cut the ends off of some Q-tips so I'm not getting cotton in there, and then I can stir it really quickly and use the tip to kind of glob it on there and be able to work on it. So when you've used it before, it takes a little more finagling. I've had to use my pliers because it really does glue on there quite well, even though it's not supposed to. There we go. There we go. All right. So you don't need a whole lot. Okay. Alright, so then you gotta mix this together really well so that it's got both sets. I just have a little scrap piece of cardboard here to throw away when I'm done. Okay, so I went ahead and included the inside neck ring in case there's somebody that comes along and has a different solution that they want to use. You know, things happen, we learn how to do different things, and if somebody's got a better way, I want them to be able to have what they need. So I just tried to put it back in there. It had enough to hold in place. So, and I get a little bit more glue on there than I might even want, because I can use Q-tips and acetone when I'm done to remove any glue residue. I just want to make sure I don't miss any spots. Go back in there here. There's like, I don't really want that hair in my stuff. Alright, so now I'm keeping the rest of her hair out of the way. The ponies have a little notch on their body and their neck. You want to line that up. And press that down. And since there's nothing holding it left or right, make sure that your seam's lined up where you want it. Don't let go. Guys, that's just about it for her. She's just gonna have to sit and cure now. This neck seam is looking really great now that we've used the acetone to clean it up. You know, if you ever find that there's more after it's cured, you can always do that again. But she'll be able to style after that's done. And for now, I'm gonna let you guys run, and we will catch you again next time. If you like today's tip, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can see you guys soon. Bye!